afternoon, everyone. This is me, Queen Hitzi of the 4H. I am here now at the Villa Ramelin for the gathering of Atlas Mining. So I am so much thankful to God that I am made it for all the successful event for the 5 years in Atlas service. So I am so blessed and thankful for all the blessings that we have received, and thank you so much since that my dad has the part in the Atlas company, and I am the one for Atlas baby also. So thank you. What a nice ambience here. So they have a swimming pool. Swimming pool. So I'm just roaming around. It's a summertime here. So behind my back, the kids are swimming. So in the small pool, we have also a swimming pool, and also in the big pool also. Thank you. So this is me, Queen Hitzi of the 4H. Say to you all, I love you. So I am so much thankful to God that my sister Hazel Haji Haile soon will get complete. So thank you for all the blessings that we made it receive and all. So have a nice day, and I love you all.